How to fake suspended Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar over here, and as you tap on the search bar, search for Instagram support. As you search for Instagram support, here you can see the option of Instagram Help Center, so tap on it. As you tap on Instagram Help Center, what you simply need to do is you can simply tap on the option of search and search for account suspended. So you can just search for it, and as you search for account suspended option, so here you'll be able to see different options. So what you can simply do is you can tap on the options over here. So tap on disabled Instagram account. Now scroll down and tap on this option of was this helpful. So just tap on no and tap on any options, and here you can just tap on the tell us more box, and you can mention your issue that your account has been suspended and you'd want to get it recovered. So you just need to make sure you enter your email ID and your username just to get contact from the Instagram support. After that, tap on submit and the team of Instagram will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.